Hello guys, welcome to FAQ on Tech. Okay, here on this channel we create videos that are going to interest you, and you can also go to our blog. You can visit our blog faqontech.com, and you can go ahead and read various articles right here on our blog which are informative. Okay, so yeah, as you can see, we have various articles right here on the blog. So in today's video I'm going to show you guys nice and cool, amazing platform you can use to get temporary emails to make use of when it comes to registering for particular things. Maybe you're trying to trying to create an account on an app, and you don't want to use your default Google Meet, your default Gmail or email, so you want to just use a random email. So you can go ahead and make use of this. For example, this number one is tempil.com, and I'm going to paste the link to all these temporary email providers in my description below. These are the best, and let me say, for example, I want to go and register for something. I can copy this and make use of it. As you can see, your temporary email is ready, and next update is I think in 5 seconds or stuff like that. So I can make use of random emails, as you can see, and it's going to keep on generating random emails for me. I can copy this and make use of it. If I want to refresh, I can click on refresh, and they're going to change a random email for me. So you can see, for example, you're trying to create something cool, you can go ahead and make use of this. Another one is temp mail. I really love these guys. I love this temp mail, and they give you amazing feature, guys. Amazing features. You can see nice design. You can go ahead and install their mobile app on your device in case you want to go ahead and get random temporary emails quickly with your mobile phone. You don't have to come to the website every single time. You can just go ahead and install the app, and as you can see, you can get emails that look like a company email, which is cool, apart from just getting this email that doesn't look cool. This is cool right here. So you can go ahead and copy this and make use of it, and you can change. You can see you can change the email address if you want. You can change email address. You can do so many stuffs. Okay, so if you want to change email address, you have to come to the pro section. You can just use it. They'll give you a random domain and stuff. Okay, so the last one we have is crypto mail. Okay, crypto mail is crypto Gmail. Sorry, crypto Gmail is also amazing when it comes to getting random emails. Okay, and yeah, you can also use them. You can also get .education email right here on this temp mail, so which is really cool. As you can see, like this one, you can go ahead and copy this, so you can get random emails every single time when it comes to registering various things online, and you don't want to make use of a real email. Let me say you just want to get you want to download something from a newsletter. You can go ahead and make use of this random emails, so you don't get spammy newsletters. Okay, so that's it guys for the video. Thanks for watching. See you, bye for now, and see you guys in that video.